Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more daily content. Some lit ass content, bro. Let's get into it. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Mario. Back at it again with another video, and today, man, we're going to be trying to cook in my air fryer for the first time. Now, I know the air fryer is good, like cooking, like frozen food, like like frozen wings, frozen fries, stuff like that. I don't know if it's good cooking like raw chicken, so we gonna try it for the first time, bro. Hopefully it turns out well, bro. Hopefully I don't get sick or some shit, bro, because that would be really unfortunate if I got sick, bro. That'd be really unfortunate, bro. Hey, yo, look at Coco. Never mind, bro. Yeah, so we about to try it. I'm trying to become a chef. When that day comes when I move out, bro, and my parents are not cooking for me anymore, I need to learn how to cook on my own, because I'm not spending no money on McDonald's every single day. So let's get into it. Alright, yo. So first, bro, we gotta marinate the chicken wings, Now, don't let people tell you that you can over season chicken, bro. Because you can't, trust me, you can't. Because they the type of people, bro. They the type of people to put this much seasoning and be like, oh, it's done. You see, bro, not even fair. Oh, that's enough seasoning. That's not enough seasoning, bro. You gotta season that shit up like that, bro. You gotta season that, You gotta season that, bro. Or else it's not gonna taste good. And if it's not gonna taste good, bro, it's a fail. You gotta put a lot of chili powder up in there. That's some chili powder, make it a little spicy. You know me, man. Damn, bro. It's like stuck or something. Get out, homie. It's an arm workout. Hold on. Yeah. Gotta put some chili powder up in there. You know me, man. Alright. Then you want to just put a little bit of oil, bro. Little bit of oil, not too much. Not too much oil, bro. Just a little bit of oil. Alright. That's a little bit of oil. Alright, next. Paprika. Alright. Paprika is super important. It's super important. Gotta put something like that. You can never over season a chicken. Let me tell you. Never. You can never over season chicken. Alright, now you just gotta make sure it gets to all the chicken, bro. You gotta make sure the seasoning gets all to the chicken, like so. We want this tasting good, bro, because it's gonna be in the air fryer, but it's not gonna really be on oil, bro. So it's gonna. So I don't know how good it's gonna be if I put it in the air fryer. Hopefully it's gonna be the same, cause if this turns out, bro, motherfucker wasted $6 on some chicken wings, bro. Alright, so we gotta let it marinate for about 2 hours. Cause it's small, it's only chicken wings. So about 2 hours. We gonna let it marinate. Goodbye, chicken, bro. I'll see you in about 2 hours, bro. I'll see you in about 2 hours, bro. Stay still, bro. Now I am preheating the oven. I put it about 365 degrees for about, I set the timer for about 20 minutes, and I pressed air fryer. You can see me struggle pressing start. Bro, I pressed 10 times, bro. It would not start, but that's what you gotta do. So we gotta let it preheat first before I put our chicken wings in. Alright, so now we're just gonna put our chicken wings on the plate so we can put it in the air fryer. Okay, back in the air fryer they go. I already preheated it. So we're about to cook this at 365 degrees for about 20 minutes. So I just turned over the chicken so it can cook evenly on both sides. Now we're gonna put it back in for about 10 more minutes. Goodbye. And just like that, our air fried wings are done. You see how good that looks? My God. Shit looks amazing. Alright, I'm about to put some Louisiana hot sauce on it to make it a little bit more spicy. Alright, so we about to try it out, bro. I put some little some stuff on it to make it taste a little bit better, but we're gonna give it a try. And it's cooked too. Oh my God. This tastes really good, bro. My God. Bro, it's like it's cooked too, bro. There's no blood on it at all. My God. Hey, look, it's Coco. Do you want some bones? Psych. That's not good for dogs. Chill. That was cringy. All right, bro. Let's try another one. Oh my God. These motherfuckers good, bro. Always clean your bone, bro. Gotta clean your bone, or else it's a waste of food, bro. Oh my God. This don't even need dressing on it, bro. That's that good, bro. It's that good. It's that good, bro. Oh my God. Holy shit, bro. Oh my God. Alright, yo. That was good, bro. Like I said before, bro. I'm the Asian Gordon Ramsay. You know? The Filipino Gordon Ramsay, bro. You know me, man? Shit tastes good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Rest in peace, Pop Smoke. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.